Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan tacos from scratch. We'll cover everything from choosing your base to crafting flavorful fillings and topping them off perfectly. Get ready to transform your taco night with plant-based goodness that everyone will love. You'll learn simple steps to create a satisfying meal, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. Let's dive into the world of vibrant, cruelty-free tacos. For your protein, consider seasoned black beans or pinto beans for a classic, hearty option. Crumbled tofu or tempeh can be spiced to perfection, offering a fantastic texture similar to ground meat. Don't overlook mushrooms. Sautéed cremini or shiitake provide a rich, savory depth. And for a truly unique experience, shredded jackfruit can be transformed into a delicious, pulled pork-style filling. These options are packed with flavor and nutrients. No taco is complete without amazing toppings and sauces. Fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, and crisp shredded lettuce are absolute must-haves. For a creamy touch, try a vegan sour cream or a homemade cashew cream. Pickled red onions offer a fantastic tangy crunch that cuts through richness beautifully. And remember, a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice over everything will elevate all the flavors, making your vegan tacos truly pop with freshness. Now for the best part. Assembling your perfect vegan taco. Start by gently warming your tortillas. This makes them pliable and enhances their flavor. Next, spoon in your delicious protein filling, ensuring a generous portion. Then, pile on your favorite fresh toppings, aiming for a mix of textures and vibrant colors. Finally, add a drizzle of your chosen sauce and a squeeze of fresh citrus, like lime, for that final burst of flavor. Enjoy your incredible homemade vegan tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.